Hey everyone, if you're a safety manager looking for the ultimate gas detection solution, let me introduce you to the ULTIMA X5000 Gas Monitor by MSA Safety. This device is a game changer in gas detection technology, designed to keep your workplace safe and efficient. One of the standout features is TruCal technology. This extends calibration cycles up to 24 months for H2S and CO sensors, which means less downtime and more cost savings. Imagine not having to calibrate your gas monitor every few months. That's a huge win. The ULTIMA X5000 also boasts an advanced multilingual OLED touch screen interface. It's super user-friendly, making it easier than ever to navigate and operate, even for first-time users. Now let's talk safety. This monitor features Diffusion Supervision, which actively checks if the sensor inlet is blocked, ensuring reliable gas detection at all times. Plus, with SafeSwap, you can replace sensors without turning off the device. Just swap and go. But it doesn't stop there. The ULTIMA X5000 offers Bluetooth connectivity, allowing your mobile device to act as a remote screen and controller. With the XS Connect app, you get real-time data and high security standards, ensuring your information is always protected. Whether you're in oil and gas, utilities, or general industry, the ULTIMA X5000 is designed to fit seamlessly into your existing setup, thanks to its identical footprint and wiring as the previous ULTIMA X series. So, if you're ready to experience the future of gas detection, check out the ULTIMA RR-JX5000 by MSA Safety. It's not just about detecting gases, it's about creating a safer, more efficient workplace. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.